Hello friends, welcome to Science of Diet. I'm going to talk about acne treatment. So, if you have frustrating and pesky acne since a long time, then this episode is for you. Most of the women around the world face this problem at least once in their lifetime. Natural acne remedies are a good way to get rid of it. I tell you, home remedies to get rid of acne. In today's episode, I'm going to use simple ingredient which are easily available in your kitchen or you can buy easily from market. And that is avocado and honey. This combination works wonders in treating hormonal acne, reducing the excess oil production, and moisturizing the skin. Honey contains antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. There's no concrete evidence to prove this, and far more people seem to have success using it than not. It's so full of good vitamins and nutrients it seems it can really help tone down the acne. If you have sensitive skin, too, it's quite mild. There are different combinations you can try, as with most home remedies, but this one blends together avocado and honey. You will need -1 avocado, -1 tablespoon of honey. Now, rinse your face with water and pat it dry. Scrape out the inside of the avocado and mash it up, then stir in the honey, continuing mashing until it turns into a paste. Apply it to your skin and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. When you're done, wash off the mixture with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Depending on your skin type, apply moisturizer. You can add ½ cup of plain yogurt for added benefits. Repeat 1 to 2 times daily for at least a week to get any visible improvements. So, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Also, do not forget to share this video to your friends and family. Bye bye.